Well, let's see if it works. Whoa, ho, ho. I think that'll probably work for a couple hundred times. At least. Alright. My wheel adjusts again. How about that? Okay. Well, we're done with this repair. My 2005 2500 Dodge Ram, where the tilt wheel quit working. And I wiggled stuff around and poked around, and then this little piece of plastic fell out. I thought, well, that can't be too tough. Well, the problem is you can't buy this. You got to get this whole cylinder. So this little black piece has got gears on the back of it, and then this white piece that's connected to the shaft has got gears, and the two gears lock together. Well, this little white piece that broke off used to hook. I can't find it. Okay, used to hook to the hard plastic piece that's attached to the shaft, and then covered up this black piece to hold it in place. And then the lever on your steering column activates this cable to pull it back and forth to adjust your steering wheel. So here we got a zip tie, and I'll cut the tail off, but I think this is going to work. Eventually I may get that shaft, but right now a little tight on money. I'm heading out on a big trip here pretty quick. I didn't have time to fool with it all. So I think this is going to work. The lever is working. And the steering wheel is adjusting. So that's good. Alright. Done deal for what? 3 cents. And 25 minutes time. Well, I gotta say 35 minutes time, because it took me a bit to find the T20 torque to take the screws out, holding the plastic around the steering column. Other than that, everything went pretty good. Oh. 2005 2500 Dodge Ram. Tilt wheel mechanism. I love my Dodge, but there's some real cheap parts on it. Some things they could have done just a little better. And I love my Cummins motor. So, all in all, this has been a fantastic truck. Everybody have a great day. I know I'm gonna. Bye for now.